Students, please take out the page number 6666 and 6767. Okay, and please mention today's date over here. 3rd day, 12th month, 20th year. Classwork. 3rd day, 12th month, 20th year. Classwork. Okay. So students, as you know, we had discussed the concept of more and less in our live class. So today we are going to do the exercise of the concept of more and less. So let's do it. So here you have to take the group that has more. We have to take that group that has more fruits. So tell me, are these watermelons are more or are these more? These are more. So we will take on these group. Now tell me, are these apples are more or are these apples are more? These apples are more. Yes. Now, circle the group that has less fruits. Now we have to circle that group that has less fruits. So tell me, are these oranges are less or these oranges are left? These are less oranges. So we will circle this group. Now tell me, these fruits are less or these fruits are less? Yes, these are less. So we will circle this group. Now come to the page number 67. Take the hand that shows more fingers open. We have to take that hand that shows more fingers open. And cross the hand that shows less finger open. Okay, so let's do it. Now tell me, here one finger is open, here 1, 2, 3 finger is open. So we will take more. For more fingers we will put tick, for less fingers we will put cross. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, here 1 finger. So we will take these fingers and cross these. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers are open and 2 fingers are open. So we will take these fingers and cross these one. Now here 2 fingers are open and here 5 fingers are open. So 5 fingers are more. So we will take over here and these are less. So we will cross it. Now here 1, 2 fingers are open in this group and 3 fingers are open here in this group. So 2 fingers are less, so we will put cross. 3 fingers are more, so we will put tick. Now here 5 fingers are open and here 4 fingers are open. So 5 fingers are more, so we will put tick, and 4 fingers are less, so we will put cross. So students, in this way you have to complete the page number 6666 and 6767. Now, after completing the page number 66 and 67, you have to take out the page number 2626 and 2727. Okay. So, as you know that we had completed the letter, capital letter N. So, today we are going to write small letter N. So, trace the letter, take the picture whose name starts with N. So, firstly we are going to trace the letter N, small n. So for that we required only 2 blue lines like this. So the first step, as it mentioned over here, we have to make one standing line from blue line to blue line. Then from here we have to go up to the blue line and come down to the blue line in this way. Okay, this is small n. N says na. Now tell me, n net or n log? And net. So we will put tick over here. Okay. Now trace and write. We have to trace the letter and write the letter also. Okay. So let's do it. Standing line. Go up to the blue line. Come down to the blue line. This standing line is little bit wrong. So I'm going to make it again. Which letter is this? Small n. N says na. N says na. Speak. N says na. N says na. Here, make one standing line from blue line to blue line. Now keep a pencil here and go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line. In this way you have to write all small letter N. Okay? You speak N, net. N, necktie. N, nose. N, net. N, neck. N, nine. N, newspaper. N, nurse. See, in this way you have to complete the page number 2626. Now come to the page number 2727. Here you have to write capital and small N both below the picture whose name start with N. Now tell me, N, necktie? Yes, so we will be write capital N and small n as well in this box. N, mouse? No, so we will not write anything. N, nurse? Yes, so we will be write capital N and small n. N, newspaper? Yes, so we will be write capital N and small n both in this box. N, mat? No. N, net? Yes, so we will write capital N and small n. Now, N, nest? Yes. So in this way you have to complete these both pages. Okay. And same small n you have to write in your English workbook as well. The page number 4343. Okay. Please mention today's date over here also. 3rd day, 12th month, 20th year. Take on classwork. N says no. N, nest. So let's trace and write as I have give the instruction in book number 4. N, nest. N, net. Now see how to write. Keep a pencil on blue line. Come down to the blue line. Keep a pencil here. Go up. Come down. In this way you have to write small n in your English workbook. Speak. Which letter is this? Small n. Which letter is this? Small n. Which letter is this? Small n. Which letter is this? It's small n. N, nurse. N, necklace. N, nails. N, notepad. N, newspaper. N, nuts. N, nightingale. See students, I have completed the page number 4343. Okay. In the same way you have to do. Okay.